It's 3 a.m., you're sleeping peacefully. And while you're dreaming, your AI agent is replying to emails, handling clients, selling digital products, and literally making you money. You wake up, check your phone, and there it is. Notifications, payments, new leads. All done automatically.
No boss, no deadlines, no manual work. Sounds impossible, right?
But in 2025, it's becoming normal. Because right now, thousands of people are building AI agents. Tiny digital employees that never sleep, never complain, and work for you 24/7. And the craziest part? You don't need to be a coder, a tech genius, or have a huge budget. You just need to know which tools to use and how to connect them.
So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own AI agent, one that can run your business, generate passive income, and make money while you sleep. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll realize you don't need a team, you just need the right system. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what an AI agent actually is. It's not just ChatGPT, it's ChatGPT with purpose.
Imagine ChatGPT connected to your email, Google Sheets, website, Notion, social media, and it can take actions, not just give answers. It can send messages, manage tasks, post content, reply to clients, all automatically. That's an AI agent. And building one in 2025 is easier than ever.
So here's the step-by-step game plan.
Step 1. Find your use case. Ask yourself, what's one task that takes up too much time but makes money? Maybe it's replying to customer messages, creating social media posts, sending cold emails, or managing clients. That's your gold mine. Because if you can automate that with AI, you free yourself forever. Step 2. Choose your AI brain. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or OpenDevin. These are your thinkers, the logic behind your AI. They understand what to do, when to do it, and how to respond naturally. For example, you can literally say, every time someone emails me asking about prices, reply with my offer, follow up after 2 days, and add them to a client list. And your AI agent does it, on autopilot. Step 3. Connect your tools. This is where the magic happens. You use platforms like Zapier, Make.com, or Relevance AI to let your agent actually do things. It's like giving your AI arms and legs. Now it can move, send messages, create tasks, reply to emails, post content. You set it once and it keeps running, day, night, weekends. For example, you get a new DM on Instagram saying, "Hey, I'm interested." Your AI instantly sends a friendly message back, logs the lead in Notion, and even schedules a call with your calendar link. You didn't even touch your phone. It feels like having a digital assistant working for you 24/7. Now step 4, train your agent. Most people skip this part, but this is where the real power is. Your AI needs to sound like you. Feed it your writing style, tone, and examples of how you talk to clients. You can literally upload PDFs, emails, scripts, or chat logs, and the AI will learn your voice. Now your agent isn't just smart, it's you, cloned digitally. And here's where it gets crazy. You can build multiple agents for different jobs. One for sales, one for customer service, one for content creation, one for lead generation. You basically build an entire AI team, and you're the CEO. Let's make it real with an example. Imagine you're running a small digital business, maybe selling templates or doing freelance work. You build 3 AI agents. Agent 1 handles emails and client questions. Agent 2 writes social media content every morning and posts it automatically. Agent 3 sends cold outreach messages to potential clients and follows up. You spend 1 weekend setting it up, and by Monday, your business runs on autopilot. Clients come in, messages go out, content gets posted, you just monitor results, while your agents do the heavy lifting. That's when it hits you. You're not working anymore. You're managing a system that works for you. Now, let's talk about how to actually make money with it. You can use AI agents in 5 money-making ways. Number 1, sell automation setups. Businesses will pay $300 to $1,000 for someone to set up custom AI agents that handle repetitive work. You build one for yourself, then offer it to others. Number 2, run a lead generation agent. Use an AI to send cold DMs or emails to find clients for your services, digital products, or affiliate links. It never gets tired, and it keeps messaging 24/7. Number 3, build a faceless brand. Use your AI to generate daily posts, respond to comments, and manage followers. grow a page while you sleep, and monetize it later with sponsorships or courses. Number 4. Create digital info products. Train your AI to answer niche-specific questions, like fitness or real estate, and package it as a chatbot coach. Sell it to your audience for recurring revenue. And number 5, the big one, license your AI system. If you create a smart AI that solves a problem, like generating clients for gyms or editing videos automatically, you can sell monthly access. That's passive income on autopilot. This is where people start realizing you don't need to work harder, you just need to build smarter systems. Now here's what most people get wrong. They think building AI agents is complicated, but it's not. In 2025, tools like GPT's, Agent GPT and FlowEyes have drag-and-drop interfaces. You don't write code. You just tell the AI what to do, connect your apps, and press start. That's it. You can literally create your first income-generating AI agent today. Let's visualize your setup. Step 1. You choose your AI brain, ChatGPT or Claude. Step 2. Connect your tools using Zapier or Make. Step 3. Add your database, Notion, Google Sheets, or Airtable. Step 4. Set triggers, like when someone fills a form, send a message. Step 5. Train your tone, upload examples, and activate it. Boom, you've got your first digital employee. And the best part? You can scale infinitely. Add more agents, add more automations. Each one saves you more time or makes you more money. It's like building your own AI company, one agent at a time. Now here's the truth. Some people will still ignore this. They'll say, AI can't do that much. But the smart ones? They're the ones setting it up quietly and watching their income compound. Because in 2025, time is the new currency, and AI is how you buy it back. So think about this. While most people are working 10 hours a day for someone else, you could build a system that works 24 hours a day for you. You could be sleeping, traveling, or spending time with family, while your AI handles the grind. The world is changing fast, and those who learn how to build and use AI agents today will lead tomorrow.
So tell me, what's the first thing you'd automate? Drop it in the comments. And if you want me to make a full step-by-step setup video showing you exactly how to build your first AI money-making agent live, type AI agent tutorial below.
Because this is the new era of automation, not just working harder, but making money, even while you sleep. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what an AI agent actually is.
So here's the step-by-step game plan.
Step 1. Find your use case. Step 2. Choose your AI brain. Step 3. Connect your tools. Step 4. Train your agent. And Step 5. Activate and scale.